Certified 5.7 dork James Reeves here from TFBTV. My camera guy almost just killed someone. He didn't even know it. That's what we were laughing at over here. Me and Josh with Strike Industry just having fun and games, looking at a new 5.7 chassis. What are we looking at, Josh?
Yeah, so this is a Strike 5.7 chassis built around the Ruger-57 platform. We liked it. Again, a drop-in trigger pack allows us to do literally everything else. So a real nice stipple grip, high grip, quick access and shielding for the safety, positive charge, Picatinny all around the place. It's actually a little bit harder than we thought it would be. There would be, since it's a clamshell design, we had to do some inherent pinning to make sure that that top rail is really solid and really steady, so that way your optic stays on point and you don't have to re-zeros. Picatinny back and 2 QD points, so that way whether you run it as a true pistol or as a stabilized pistol or you decide to SBR it, you've got tons of options on where to put this thing.
Right, and then plenty of space for mounting an optic as well, really allowing you to capitalize on the 5-inch barrel, the ballistic performance of the 5.7 cartridge, capitalizing that long distance that you can get out of it. Talk to me about the serialized component here. What is it? I mean, am I dropping in? Is there like an entire pistol underneath there?
You know, you're dropping in the trigger pack from your Ruger. So all the rest of the body is us, but again, sort of as some others, a trigger pack allows us as accessory manufacturers to just go bananas with it.
Because they serialize the trigger pack in the Ruger instead of the frame.
Yeah, and we get all silly about it and start like doing a little happy dance and like Keebler elves.
And that's a point I want to bring up. A lot of times you'll have companies that will drop modular chassis systems, right? Or like fire control groups or whatever that are serialized, but then they don't do shit with it after that.
Yeah.
They just have the module. That's why the third party manufacturing out here is so great, because when you get these third party manufacturers who can take that, they can capitalize on the fact that you've got that serialized component and make something like this. How much is this going to cost and when's it going to be available?
I wouldn't give you those stats. Its production run, I can tell you right now, is very close. So we'll probably be Q2, Q3 this year. I'll put them out. I don't want to give a price line just because, again, I'd probably lie to you. You know, it's going to be standard Strike Industries where you're going to be a little bit shocked and maybe buy 2 of them because it's not that much. Now, I would like to say something on the third-party support. It is probably one of those things where all of us crusty old guys go, well, all I need is one gun, and that's cool. You probably only do need one, but by the time you have your 10th AR, your 10th whatever, isn't it fun?
Right.
And now, like, I found myself with a red and black AR.
Right. And, you know, if this comes in at reasonably priced, you're not buying a new gun. Like, this is, you've got one gun, which, you know, as far as 5.7 pistols go, the Ruger's kind of like low middle of the pack in terms of pricing already, and it's a good gun. It's a good system. So I'm glad to see you guys introducing this. Really can't wait to see what the pricing is. Josh, thank you so much for talking with us about it. Guys, thank you so much for watching TFBTV. Stay tuned. We'll bring you more from SHOT Show 2025.